Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to edit a rounded rectangle in Photoshop. Let's begin. First of all, open your Photoshop, then click the shape. Click shape tool. Okay, fill. Select your fill color, stroke color. I do not use stroke color. And right click on your mouse. Use rounded rectangle or press U. And click the radius 15 px. Then result it corner again 13. Okay, then press Ctrl T, hold Ctrl, edit, and again press Ctrl T, right click, warp. Okay, and add anchor point. In Photoshop C6, once you draw a rounded rectangle, you cannot directly edit the corner radius later. If you want a different radius, you will have to draw a new shape with the desert settings.